Hi, let's talk about where to find people. To be precise, there is a people all around us. There is opportunity all around us. It's just that we have to step up to get it. Well, as we know that people is a abundant source. So more and better people you are in the network with, the highly the better is the opportunity to succeed. So the question is lying where to find people. So in this video we are going to talk about the precisely some particular resources you can find all around you pretty easily. So the immediate resource to find people is your present network. Ask your friends to introduce you to their friends, to their 5 friend minimum. This will help you to expand your network pretty easily. Second, your activity. Maybe you like swimming, basketball, football, or kind of charity activity. So those activity club is a base of another base of people. Like there you can, while doing the activities, you can join different kind of people from the diverse field and build up the trust easily while spending time. Another source is your residence, the place you live. The place you live again is another source of your network. Okay, so you can easily approach the people through the residential association. Your school or university, this is one way of finding people. Other than that, the social media, the people on social media, particularly Facebook or LinkedIn, and the group on Facebook on LinkedIn is a major source of connecting a different type of people. Other than different resources, there is an industrial specific association and clubs. This can also help you to meet the participate in the event and meet same-minded people. This will not only help you to connect with the opportunity and different people, but also it will keep you updated what is going on in your industry. That's it for the moment. Thank you so much again for your attention. See you in the next video where we will be discussing what should be our strategy to build what should be our people strategy, or what should be our strategy to build trust among the people. All right, so see you soon.